Let's study the topic non-uniform accelerated motion. Non-uniform accelerated motion means it is non-uniform, although it is accelerated motion, but it is non-uniform. Non-uniform means acceleration is not constant. It means clearly acceleration is not constant. It means it is variable. Acceleration is varying means changing. Varying means changing. Means acceleration is changing with time. Acceleration is changing means what? Acceleration is changing with time means what? It is a function of time. Okay, we can write it is variable means changing with time, and changing with time means what? Changing with time means function of time. Okay, so in non-uniform accelerated motion, acceleration will be a function of time. Okay, acceleration equals to some function of time. For example, we can write we can see if acceleration is given as 5t plus 6t cube. Okay, what is this here? This t, it means acceleration is a function of time. Okay, it is not constant, it is a function of time. In this situation, when accelerated motion is non-uniform, we have some different equations, not like v equals to u plus at. These equations are v equals to u plus at. These were valid when this is constant acceleration, but here acceleration is not constant, so these will not be valid here. Okay, then what is valid here? For acceleration, the equations are a equals to dv by dt. This is valid here. This is done to solve the questions. A equals to dv by dt, and this dv by dt can also be written as v dv by dx. Okay, this is first equation. How this is done? Dv by dt can also be written as v dv by dx. How it is done? This is done by let's show here dv by dt, that is equals to dv by dt into dx by dx, multiplying numerator and denominator by same thing, that is dx. Now arrange it dv by dx into dx by dt. Arranging these two, we will get this. Okay, and this term is dx by dt is velocity, so it is written in this way. Okay, and this is here. This is one equation. Another equation is also here, v equals to ds by dt, or you can write dx by dt in any way. ds equals to v dt, ds equals to v dt. By cross multiplying this, we can also write here one more thing. We can write dv equals to a dt or v dv equals to, these are the equations which hold for non-uniform accelerated motion. Okay, mainly these two. Okay, these are derived from these two. Mainly this is these two. This is the main thing. Okay, let me plot it by red pen. These two equations are the main equations. Others are derived from this. Okay, so this to be memorized. Let me show you one example. If in a non-uniformly accelerated motion, the any question arises, if acceleration is given as, suppose that, take this in this way, it is 6t plus 7t square. In this way, in any numerical question, if acceleration is given in this way, we quickly understand that this is a case of non-uniform accelerated motion. This is a case of non-uniform accelerated motion. In any numerical, when you see such type of acceleration value, quickly understand this is a non-uniform accelerated motion. So here such types of equations will not be valid. Then which equations will be valid? These equations will be valid.